Good morning, good morning, good morning. Morning to everybody on TikTok. Jeez, I didn't even monetize yesterday. That's funny. How's everybody doing this morning? You guys are piling in. I'm gonna save. We need to change that. Get my YouTube channel set up as always. Good morning to everybody. Wednesday, June 25th. I swear I lose track of days. You know, you always made fun of old people when they're retired and they don't know what day it is. There's a reason for that. They don't care what day it is. I don't have any idea what day, it doesn't matter. All right, let's see over here though. This matters. Da 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 da. All right, I think we're live on YouTube. Let's take a look. Yeah, baby. Let's see. We have to have a chat, don't we? There we go. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Okay. Can you guys... Okay, let's get this cleared up because I'm trying something new. Can you guys hear me okay on YouTube only? YouTube only. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, but YouTube only. Can you guys hear me okay? Yes or no? There's just a few of you there. Who's there? Da, 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 da. And yes, I know you only see my voice. I get that. That's changing. Don't worry about the visual. Can you hear me okay on YouTube? Da, 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 da. Loud and clear. Yes, says Dennis. Sound is great today. Way better. That's what I needed to hear. Thank you, Aussie Trader. Thank you, Grant. Thank you, Dennis. Okay. Da 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 da. And I found out I can exchange images. Da 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 da. Just like that. It is so cool to me that I can do this. Da 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 da. Aha. I don't know if it's better than what I have, but I do like it. I like the ability to do this. So, anywho's. So you're saying the sound is better. I'm going to take that as a win. Da, 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 da. We had 130. We actually had 140, and we probably ended up with 150 correct calls yesterday. These are all from earlier this morning. Una reverse, first time frame, Una reverse, Una reverse, Una reverse, Una reverse, Una reverse. ES1 10 second, ES1 10 second, ES1 10 second, ES1 5 second. We should check these out. There we go, a NAS. Trying to find the last time. Looks like it clicked on. Time frame. All green NAS. Let's see this one right here. 4:14 a.m. We need to go over to NAS here. 4:14 a.m. in Forex time. 4:14. 11 something, 11:14. So let's go all the way down to here. 11:14. 11. Oh, nice. Okay, let's go down to the... It was a 5-second NAS, wasn't it? 11:14. Somewhere around there. 10-second. 11:14. Nice. It made a perfect call, I can already tell, but let's keep going. 11:14. All right. In my hand, in my hand. In my head, in my head. What, here? This one? In my head. In my head. So this would have been the call. Let's go up to a 1 minute. At least it'll look easier to spot. Let's see. Beautiful call. Holy shit, was that perfection. All right, let's go ahead and look over here on our 5 symbols and see NAS at 11:14. What is this? Nope, we don't want 10 minute. Let's go to 1 minute. In my head, in my head. Everything happens in my head. There we go. All right. Okay, that would have been our in. Orange line would have been our in right there. Okay. Now, let's see how this looks. Obviously, you'd have made, I'm just looking right now, up of this to here, about 15, 20 pips on the first initial move. But that's not what that does. You'd have let it run. Yeah, look at that. Yep, still in the money. So from here to here, in my head. Good morning, everybody. Just fooling around with something. Want to see what this Uno reverse call made. Here to here would have been the call. Shit. I hit that too quick. Let's do it again. Here to here. About 40 pips. So about 35, 40 pips, about 15, 20 on the initial. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I'm testing the sound out today. Rinky said very clear. Good morning, Rinky. Good morning, Larry. God bless too. I see 2 Larry Coopers. That's interesting. Larry, Larry on Facebook. My bad. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube. I'm just rambling on this morning. Aussie Trader. Good morning, Lazarus. Myelini. Welcome, Myelini. Nuka. Good morning, Annie Apple. Larry Cooper. Rethink the Grind. Yeah, you're in the right spot for that, buddy. Good morning to you all. We're currently going over the signal call out from our automated robot. Some of you are more enthralled with AI and automated robots, so I'm going to call it what it is. And that's what it is. In my head. In my head. Can you guys hear me clearly on YouTube? How many people we got over there now? About 15. About 15. Larry, how's the sound on YouTube? Just YouTube, not TikTok. You can do Facebook too, by the way. Free money giveaway, 5 seconds. Is that right? Let's see if there's a free money giveaway. I'm thinking there is. Let's see. In my head. 5-second buy stop. Free money giveaway. First correct calls are now being alerted. 43,409. YM1. Free money giveaway to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop. 43,073. Woo, baby. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there. Free money. Hey, we ain't turning down free money. We ain't gonna do it. Da 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 da. We ain't gonna do it. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Free money giveaway US 30. And YM1 buy stop. What goes for one goes for all. We're the three musketeers over here. I'm calling this out. Let's go to the 10-second blue line. Oh, gorgeous. Free money giveaway to the 10-second blue line. All in the money. Look at all of them go up. NAS in the money. NQ1 in the money. SPX in the money. ES1, it's in the game. In the money. In the money game. Free money YM1 to the 10-second blue line. You've already just made shit tons. That is a lot of money on this NQ shit. That was awesome. Right when I called it. I love this. You made 6-7 pips. Don't discount that. That is over half the pips a quote-unquote professional trader makes in a day when they scam. They have no idea what they're doing. They have a 63% win rate. If my system had a 63% win rate, I'd be too embarrassed to bring it out to you guys. Da da da. Buy stop. Don't let us fool you. Let me tell you right now. I'm going to pull it down here. You're about to see these alerts flying off. Oh, speaking of which, we have to be able to hear them. In my head, in my head, in my head. Everything's happening. YM1 to the 10-second blue line. US 30 to the 10-second blue line. In my head. Let it go down. The further it goes down, I'm going to make even more alerts. More demo money.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial...
In my head. Oh, baby. Just sit right here and wait. We're in zero rush. This is cool. I'm going to put alerts on everything. We're going to get 150 alerts a day. If it's the last thing you guys hear. 22,239 for NAS. Take profit, 22,453 for NQ1. Take profit, 6,094 for SPX. Take this money and run, baby. Take this money and run. There you go. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous trades developing for us. Nice, Larry. Thank you, Taraya Edwards. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. Great day to you. And good morning, Larry Cooper. Great day to you. In my head. Everything's happening in my head. Remember those alerts. Remember those alerts. Don't come back to me and say, oh, he's just... Nope. Here they are. And let's take a look at all of the alerts from yesterday. Oh, shit. They're already firing. What's happening? I hear firing. I hear firing. Oh, ho, ho. In my head. Oh, US 30. There you go. So we're looking at NAS in the money, SPX in the money, NQ1 in the money, ES1 in the money. I'm telling you, these alerts are going to be firing strong and loud. Yeah, baby. And if my voice is better on here, you guys are really going to hear it. These are June 24th. That's yesterday, 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 yesterday. These are all correct calls. These are all calls stamped out by Google Gmail through TradingView. These are TradingView correct calls, just so you're aware. June 24th, you can clearly see the time of the calls. YMs, ES1s, NASs, SPXs, US 30s, doesn't matter. All of those are correct. And these are all correct also from yesterday. Da 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 da. And there you go. And then that's it. So we were probably about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 short of 150. So that's 143. So I said 140, and there you go. In my head. In my head. Let's take a look. Shall we? Oh, this is just gorgeous. Just stay right here. You can't ask. Let me go to 1 second, see if I can pull us up. Does it get any better than this? Let's see. 1 second. You could take those cells, feel free. I'm going to sit right here. I'm putting an alert right here on my US 30. Then I'm going to put another take profit right here on my... And then we have to go through because I can't get suckered into doing these all morning. Buy stop YM1 1 second to the blue line, US 30 1 second to the blue line, and then I have to start calling out the other one. So I'm going to go over to my head. In my head, I'm going to go over to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Yeah, baby. Here we go. Here we go now. Here we go. God bless this system. Yeah, it's true. Thank you, Larry. In my head. Everything's happening in my head. What? No, I can't even get past it. Let's go, peeps. Oh, no, I don't care about that. I want more money. We'll come back to that. Wake me up when these suckers go all the way up. In my head. The US 30 touched this 1 second blue line. US 30 touched this 1 second blue line. YM1, you have time. You have time on YM1. YM1, buy stop to the blue line. YM1, buy stop to the 1 second blue line. You have time on YM1. Free money giveaway. Don't say I didn't tell you. Now, got to get through gold and all the cryptos. Come on, I ain't got time. All right, this is gold. Why do I have gold and silver first? Gold. Ah, geez, NAS. Another correct call on NAS. Woohoo! Another correct call on NAS. Let's see what we got going on. Yep, NAS is in the money on the 15-second blue line. Went up right to where it was supposed to go. That means NQ1 is in the money. NQ1 is in the money. Told you. SPX, you have a little time. SPX, 15-second buy stop, 6,094.69. ES1, you have a little time. 6,148.50. YM1, 15-second. Have we even hit the 5-second? We're getting greedy here. In my head. In my head. Look at all this money. Demo money only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Man, they're going to give you free money on US 30 and YM1 this morning. You are going to have free money on US 30 and YM1 all morning long. NQ1 to the 15-second blue line. In the money. Hit the orange line as called out right there. There it is. You're in the money on NQ1. You're in the money on NAS. Hit the orange line as just called to you a few seconds ago. Correct call after correct call. Oh, you have time. SPX, 15-second, you have time. SPX and ES1, you still have time. Don't tell me I didn't give you warning. There it is. Plenty of time. Take your time. Well, this is fun, man. We're already flying this morning. I was half asleep. Now I'm waking up. All right, gold, silver and gold. Let's look at silver. 5 seconds. There's something going on. I have a feeling it's a buy stop. 5 seconds, silver and gold. Let's see what we got. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, silver. Let's go, peeps, before I can even get it called. 10-second to the 10-second blue line, buy stop, silver to the 10-second blue line. They are giving away free money every which fucking way. Buy stop, silver to the 15-second blue line. Don't you guys think this would make a great TV show? Come on. Don't you guys want to see me on TV? Come on. Buy stop to the 30-second blue line. Silver in the money. Silver in the money. Silver call in the money. 30-second buy stop gold to the blue line. Gold 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Gold 1 minute. I'm going to put it above it for you guys. 1 minute buy stop gold to the blue line. To the 2 minute blue line, or at least towards it, close enough. Gold buy stop to the 3 minute blue line. Gold buy stop. I love these golds. Gold is always a buy, never a sell. All my indices, everything I talk about is the same. They're always going to be the same. They're always buys. You can't do this. Well, you can do the sells. You're adults. Do the fuck whatever you want. But there you go. Silver making money. Silver and gold. That's silver and gold. That's enough alerts. Silver to the 1 minute blue line. Gold to the 5 minute blue line. Just be patient. Gold's going up. Trust me. Gold ain't going down, peeps. Gold ain't going down, peeps. Silver and gold. I should buy some silver. I'm just trading it through MT4. I don't even know what account I'm in. I think I'm in LHFX, BPT, QPC. The new one, Eagle FX. I'll just call it Eagle FX 2.0. It would be a great TV show. Wouldn't it be a great TV show? Good morning, Filio. Good morning, D-Nice. I think if we went live with this, listen, all the people that would be helped would be insanity. I think people would just be like, holy fuck, this guy makes trading at least semi-fun. He's actually right. Good morning. How's that when I scream into the microphone? In my head. I think this would be a fucking blast. What kind of image can I share this morning? I don't know where I have a fucking $400 camera that I bought last year, and I don't even know what I did with it. What I did. It's somewhere around here. In my head. Everything happening in. How do I know they're all buy stops? Well, gee, let's take a look. Someone in the Discord made a Now let's see. I can make this change. Hold on. You guys can see that pretty good, huh? In my head. See that? Da, 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 da. But they can't see it on TikTok. Fuck! Everything happening in my head. What if I brought this restream over to the screen? No, I think we'd be in an infinity loop, wouldn't we? I think we would cause the computer to blow. So if I brought restream over to the screen it's recording, let me guess. That'll cause an infinity loop of hell. Let's see. In my head. Everything happening in my head. No, it did not. So what if I do this? Nope, not what I wanted. What about this? Good morning, GB. Good morning, George. Thanks again for coming on the live. Blessings to you and your son, by the way. Interesting. So if we put this mix into here, what's firing off? Damn, what's all that noise? Can you guys hear all that noise? Gold, baby. Gold in the money. Gold in the money. Where's gold? What is gold doing to cause all this racket? Oh, gold shooting upward. 5-second gold. Hit the blue. 10-second gold. Hit the blue line. 15-second gold. Hit the blue line. 30-second gold. Hit the blue line. 1 minute gold. Hit the blue line. 2 minute gold. Buy stop gold to the 2 minute blue line. How many correct calls have we made so far? We have 3 new ones. That's all, really? Sure sound like a lot. Where's my gold calls? Oh, they probably haven't fired yet. In my head. In my head. So how are we doing with this thing? website we're working on for TradingView. How cute. Okay, yeah, I got to get back. So what was I doing? This one. All right. Yeah. And then that way, this is interesting. Things that make you say, This is very interesting. Can this work? In my head, in my head. Do I have enough tabs open? George, what's up, George? George says, thanks. No, thank you, sir. And good morning to you, Lachey and Filio. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. This is interesting. I don't know if I want to do this, if I want to be me, I don't know. Interesting. If I want to do this, or if I want to put in my head. Oh, that's the infinite loop. Yep, I knew it. See, now it can't see itself because now it's seeing itself over and over and over again. That's so fucking cool. All right. Just experimenting around here with different things. In my head. So if I moved over to this chart right now, what do the people on, they would see the chart on YouTube. Let's see something. Just having fun, guys. You're making money. Relax. Yeah. So they see this. Okay. In my head. Give me some more thumbs up, please, on YouTube. Thank you. There's, how many of you are over here? About 30, 40 of you watching on YouTube and Facebook Live. Please give me thumbs up on YouTube. There's some clown that gives, one person gives a thumbs down. I swear to God. If I ever find out who that is, fuck them. All right, so if I do that and I go back over to here and I make this full screen. No, we don't want full screen. So we want that to go back. I want this to be here and this to be full screen. Now, they should only see... Oh, fuck. I might be outthinking myself here. All right, they should only see this. Let's see. There's such a delay on YouTube. Hold on a sec. In my head, in my head, everything happening in my head. Okay, now they see the right thing. They're seeing YM1. Yeah, so they're seeing the whole screen. Things that make you say, I don't know. If we do this, if we do that, it might be easier just to leave it here and then I don't have to worry about the thing. But if the thing, damn, I wish Restream went to TikTok. TikTok has to have their own thing. In my head. All right, we'll leave it like this. So now I can see what they see here, and I can still see their messages. clown world. Yep, we live in a clown world, baby. In my head. All right. Where are we? I have no idea. In my head. All right. Does anybody have any questions on TikTok or YouTube Live? Anybody have questions on anywhere? Go ahead and ask now. Science shows the safety trade system works. What do you know? Safety for trades. What a clown. All right. We are cruising now, peeps. We are cruising now. In my head. In my head. All right, I have no idea. All right, we'll try this, see what's going on. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, specifically Lazarus. Good morning, Lazarus. Myelini Nakua, 815, welcome to the channel and good morning to you. Aussie Trader, Larry Cooper, it's my time. Why is It's My Time being so quiet? What's up, It's My Time? Michelle Glowinski, Annie Apple, change my life. I sure will if you give me about an hour of your life and go back and don't be lazy and go to my YouTube channel. You'll change your life right now. Stud Breezy, welcome back, Stud Breezy. Are you a member? I don't know, but good morning to you. Welcome to the channel. You were here the other day, yesterday. What's up, Geo? And that is Geo, I've learned, is GB over on YouTube, if I'm correct. Good morning, George. User 1570, good morning to you and welcome back. I don't know who that is. It might be Kim Harrington. I don't know. Rethink the Grind. Welcome to the channel. Builder Vegas. What's up, Builder Vladas? Builder Las Vegas. Welcome, Rethink, to the channel. Welcome, everybody, to YouTube channels and Facebook Live channels. You've stumbled across a life-changing, in a good way, a life-changing way to trade. Uh-oh, hold on. Let's see. Oh, do we have a reversal? Oh, good. Maybe we'll get down to the 30-second blue line. 30-second buy stop, all indices. What is this NAS? 1 second. Hold on. Let's go to NAS NQ1. NAS NQ1. NAS NQ1. Why is it above? Below. Sell NAS to the... you don't play this. You do whatever you want. 1 second. Sell NAS to the blue line, but I'm not trading that. Let me go over to the YMs here. Watch. What's going on? 13 seconds. Let me see right here. Hold on. No. Buy stop. So these are going to be some short-term sells coming in. That's perfect. Don't give two shits about it. 1 minute buys. 1 minute buys across the board, all indices. Let's see how those 15 minutes played out yesterday for us. Oh, gee. We all made money on the 15-minute yesterday. That's a surprise. Shocking. Thank you, Crash, for telling us about the 10-minute buys yesterday. 15, I'm going to just call it 15-minute. 15-minute buy stops, all indices. Literally free money giveaway, 15-minute buy on, let me get rid of this. On YM1 and US 30, this is free money. This is a take profit right there. Here's your next take profit right there on YM1. This will happen somewhere between now and 10:30 this morning. And probably sooner than that. They always make the moves on the 4-hour times. We'll put that right there. We'll come back to this. I want to call out a lot of the stocks this morning too, by the way. Da-da-da-da. There you go. Nice. Buy stop. Free money giveaway. Buy stop. US 30 YM1 15-minute buys.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I read about all these free calls. Thought I better get up and get in on this. Good morning, Kim Harrington. Good morning, Kim. How you feeling this morning, woman? Good morning, Knit to Win 95. Good morning, Knit to Win. Good morning, Keith. I didn't even see Keith. Keith, you're up? Uh-oh. Keith, call me when you're actually physically and mentally up and ready to roll, brother. We got to go. I've set these guys up. We've already made hundreds. Well, okay, we haven't made hundreds. We've already made gold correct call once, twice, silver correct call once this morning, NQ1 correct call, NAS 100 correct call, US 30 correct call this morning, YM1 correct call, US 30 correct call, US 30 correct call. Then the Uno reverse started engage. NAS correct call yesterday. Nope, those are the only ones we made correct calls on. We've only made 1, 2, can you imagine I'm saying only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we've only made about 9 correct calls, maybe 10. That's all. You know, enough to set people up for life. ES1. Oh, let's go over to YM1. YM1 buy stop to the 1 second blue line. YM1 buy stop to the 1 second blue line. US 30 to the 1 second blue line buy stop. 5 second blue line buy stop. US 30 buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. YM1 buy stop to the 5 second blue line. We're about to have a shit ton more correct calls. In my head, when these start going off, don't say I didn't warn you. Boom, baby. I feel good. Nice, Kim. Glad to hear that. Good morning, Arginus Luna. Keith, are you actually up? That's it. I'm taking off my little thing off my one, and let's go. Keith Rooney. Keith Rooney. Keith Rooney. Good morning, monster. Are you up? He's probably laying in bed. Little Keith. Keith's like 6'9". I swear to God, the guy's a fucking giant. I look like a child standing next to him. I'm only like 5'11". Well, on a good day, probably 5'10", 5'11". Maybe when I was fat, I was 6 foot, but that was a long time ago. Yeah, when you're fatter, you're taller. If some of you don't understand it, when I was fatter, when I was 250, I was probably a solid inch taller than I am now. And then my feet were about a size and a half bigger than they are now. So when you're bigger than you should be, you're actually taller than you should be. Isn't that wild? Yeah, I weigh about 190-ish, 185, 195, just say 190. And yeah, I used to weigh 250. Loved weighing 250. Loved it. I was stronger, faster, everything. What's up, Arginus Luna? Good morning. Good morning, Knit to Win 95. Welcome to the channel. Good morning, Kimberly Harrington and Arjun at Lunas. And good morning, George. If y'all can give a thumbs up on YouTube, that'd be nice. Only reason I'm asking because some clown ass fucking hater out there always gives me one thumbs down. I have perfect 100% thumbs up on about 70-80% of my videos or more. But whenever there's the jerk-offs that are haters, they have to give a thumbs down. So we just neutralize that. Jumped on the live. Yo, singing my name. 15-minute work just for absolutely. You guys got me for ask questions for 15 minutes. That's all you got me for. Because then me and Keith are going to go to work on the robot. The fully automatic trading will be coming to the safety trade system. I would say by Christmas. And by the way, I was right on all my other calls on the time frames. The only one we're switching is the, we're not going to do the funded trader first. We're going to do it second. You won't even need it. We're doing the robot first. The robot, a finalized version of the robot, should be done by Christmas. Anybody that's supporting me, anybody that has the sniper or the signal service. Let me see right here. In my head, If you have the sniper or if you have the signal service, you'll be getting the robot for a very cheap monthly price. If you do not, I don't even see the robot being less than $1,000 a month. I might have one of the gold-only robots at $500 a month. And that's going to be the very, very minimum. So you'll be paying $1,000 a month for any robot I come out with, which will have a robot for NAS, SPX, US30, gold, and we'll have a Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP robot also. And you guys are going to pay through your fucking asses if you're not supporting Bree and I right now. If you are supporting Bree and I right now, you'll be able to get the robot for dirt fucking cheap. Just remember I warned you. We can come out with a robot next month. We can come out with the robot 3 months. We can go out with the robot in 6 months. What I'm not going to do is come out with a robot that does not have at least a minimum win rate of 80 to 90% minimum. The average professional trader is 63%. I will not release a robot with a 60% win rate. I will not release the robot with a 70% win rate. I won't release a robot unless it's above 80% win rate. So if it's not 82, 85, 90, 95, 100% win rate, I will not release a robot. If my robot does not have at least, I'll say it, an 85% win rate, I'm not releasing it. So when my robot's released, you're probably going to have a robot that wins 90 out of 100 trades, 95 out of 100 trades, or 100 out of 100 trades. I'm a perfectionist. I hate losing. So the odds of me releasing a robot with an 85% win rate is 0, 1%. 90% win rate, I could probably live with a 90% win rate. Professional traders win 63% of their trades and they make 10 pips a day. I would be embarrassed if that's all my robot did. I would never release it, ever. So when I release this robot, if you're in the signal rooms, I don't care what level you're in, whatever level you're in, you will get the robot for cheap. Cheap. Maybe $200 a month, something like that. I don't know. Cheap, cheap. If you're not in the signal room, then you're going to need to be in the sniper. If you're in the sniper, you're going to get the robot for cheap. If you're not in either of them, you're paying fucking $1,000. And I don't give a fuck if anyone buys a robot or not. Tell me someone's not going to spend $1,000 a month for a robot that makes 100% accurate trades. I'm telling you, you're going to have a robot to trade YM1, NQ1, a robot that trades for your funded trader accounts, ES1, a robot that trades gold, a robot that trades Bitcoin. Fully automatic. I'm not fucking around this time. We're going to have a fully automatic robot, whether it's in a month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year, I don't know. But when it's released, if you're in supporting me in the sniper and Bree and I, you will get the robot for dirt fucking cheap. If you're not, fuck out of here. I don't care who you are. If you're not supporting me and Bree in the sniper and the signal room or the signal room, that's your fault. That's all I can tell you. Sevens, if I'm clear on the robot, it could be released in a month, 6 months, a year, anytime in between there. Sevens, if you're clear that the robot will be fully automatic. Sevens, if you're clear if the robot will be, I'm going to go ahead and put it out there. If it ain't 90% accurate, I'm not fucking releasing the robot. So let's be clear on this. I'm writing this down. You should write this down. Let's be clear on this. In my head, there once was a robot. There is a robot coming for, let's put out the ones that people want to hear. NQ1. There is a robot coming for ES1. There is a robot coming for YM1. You hear those dings? SPX crossing, US30 crossing. There is a robot for NAS. There is a robot for QQQ. There is going to be a robot for gold. There's going to be a robot for silver. There's going to be a robot for Bitcoin. There's going to be a robot for XRP and Ethereum, Larry. Okay? I will not release the robot unless it has I'm going to say 90. Yeah, I'm going to do 90%. win rate or higher. Period. I'm not. Okay? It's going to be fully automatic demo trades only. That's up to you guys to read between the lines there. It's going to be released, I don't know, could be released next month. I don't fucking know. As soon as I've finished up 1 to 6 months or a year, I don't know. Whenever I get it to the point of perfection, I'll release it. Cost, minimum, US 30 crossing in the money, told you. As you hear the dings in the background. If you're in the sniper, in my head, or sniper, or signals, probably cost will be all right. Hope we're all clear on what the robot is and what's coming. I wouldn't wait and hold off and hold your breath for it to come in a month, though. That's for sure. What's up, Janet? Welcome to the channel. What's up, Miguel? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for responding, everybody. Mr. Gold, Larry. Mr. Gold, how happy would you be to use the system that has a fully automatic trading gold robot? Kim Harrington, how happy are you going to be when you have a gold robot in your hand? Oh, it's a-coming. It's a-coming. It's a-coming down the lane. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. It's a-coming down the lane. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling Clementine. Do 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 do. Oh my darling, what the fuck is this guy singing country songs for from 1910? Because I wanna. Picture JPEG. The EA robot. It's in the Breebot. I forgot to get the free members for that. Breebot info. Robot info. All right, we're good. The Breebot, the gold trading Breebot. Now, what was all this racket about? Oh, buy stop to the 1 sec blue line of US 30 in the money. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line in the money US 30, as I told you. Buy stop to the 10 second blue line it already hit it, in the money. 15 second buy stop to the blue line. You still have time. Demo trade only. Yeah, baby. Everything that I said there is also true for YM1. To the 1 second blue line, hit. To the 5 second blue line, hit. To the 10 second blue line, hit, and about to hit again. Free money giveaway right here. YM1. I absolutely adore this trade. I love this trade. To the 15 second blue line, YM1. Love the trade. Free money giveaway. It's going to do it again. Oh, my darling. To the 30 second blue line. And again. Oh, my darling Clementine. US 30. I absolutely adore and love this trade. This will go to the 30 second blue line. It's not a matter of if it's going, it's when.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
So excited for the robot. I'll take a bot for each symbol. I want the Ethereum and gold, I know. Mr. Gold. Mr. Gold has the correct answer of the morning. I'll take a bot for each symbol. Yeah, I am not really. I'm thinking I'll allow maybe, because I know how Keith is, with the testing. I might allow an 85% win rate, but I can't take it. If my shit ain't 100% winning, I'm not releasing it. I just can't do it. It's got to be a win 100% of the time. I'm sorry. I say 90, I say 85, but I know me. I won't release the bot unless it wins. I can't do it. I can't do it. How's the sound holding up, by the way, this morning? I'll take a bot for each symbol. How's that for coughing in a microphone? You guys hear that shit? Good morning, Kevin O'Connell. He's the luck of the Irish. When Kev comes on, we always win. Good morning, Kev. What's up, Lazarus? Mylene, welcome. Aussie Trader, Larry Cooper, History and Wildlife Girl. What's up, woman? What's up, George? Ed Cruz, It's My Time. Michelle Glowinski to all of you. Little Joe, Kev O'Connell, thank you for being on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning. Annie Apple, Changed My Life. I am right now. Stud Breezy, if you're new to the channel, his mind's got to be blown. Rethink the Grind, his mind's got to be blown. What's up, A. Hurst? Welcome to the channel. Rain Man, I've seen you before, but welcome back to the channel. Sound is good, baby. Janet says, excellent sound. Coughs sound crispy. Nice. We have a logo buy stop to the 30-second blue line forming on US 30. Let me teach you all how this stuff works. We're in the money, by the way. I would be looking long and hard at gold buys, just so you're clear. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. You're in the money on the US 30 NAS and SPX buys I told you guys to get into. You're going to be laughing when I show you what I have in my account, this one account today. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling Clementine. What is this guy singing about? Why is he singing? Because we have a system that works. No one else does, motherfuckers. So let me show you, peeps. This is how a trade looks like. Look at ERUSD going up as I called out live the other day. And by the way, we're the only system, let's be clear on this subject. We are the only system. We are the only system that has a United States of America trademark for their trading system. The only one. It's a class 41. You guys can read this yourself. Look at it. Clear your screen on TikTok and read this. Coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading and Forex trading and a whole bunch of other things too, by the way. So we have a trademark. We're unique enough to have a trademark. This isn't applied for. This is real, legit. That's what it is. Cool? By the way, we're the only system in the world where I have one of my members, Kim, here, the candle lady, Kim the candle lady, she writes down every trade I ever do. Any trade I ever do, it's right here. Every trade, every call out I've made since Thanksgiving of last year. Look, November of last year, every trade I ever called out, ever, is documented. And I asked Kim, what's my win rate? Because she does it every fucking day. You know what she said? 100%. Now, I'm not going to say that. I'm sure there's a call here or there that maybe hasn't developed or something. I don't know. But I am going to say my win rate is extremely high. Da 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 da. This is GBB JPY, the correct call on that one. Da 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 da. I don't know when I called that ERUSD, and I really don't have time to flip through all these. But nonetheless, we're the only system in the world that has the trademark. We're the only system in the world that coughs in the microphone. We're the only system in the world that tracks every trade ever called. And we don't just do it manually. This is where we separate ourselves from everybody. Right here. You want to look at something funny? Let me show you something that will blow. Where's my trade tracker? Uh-oh. Key still hasn't called. We're good. There it is. Nope. Hold on. Da 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 da. We have what's called the trade tracker, and for the life of me, I can't find it, but we'll get to it in just a second. Da 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 da. You think I have a lot of charts? No. And the trade tracker tracks every trade I ever call. Where's it at? Oh, in the middle. Well, where the hell's the trade tracker at? It might be still sucking in, I guess. Hold on. Where's the trade tracker? Where's the trade tracker? Where's the trade tracker? Where's the trade tracker? Why is it so hard to find? I swear to God. Huh. Well, isn't that just shitty? Huh. Well, at any rate, the trade tracker's right here. It's a code. It's an AI coded by the great Keith Palmer. I'll call in 5. Check email. Okay. It tracks every trade ever called out by our system, and it's 100% accurate, and it says we're at 100% win rate. So, if you look at the symbols that we're trading right now, we can go over here, and we can go over to US 30, for instance, and we can go down to the, I don't know, 1 second. Yes, my system works on the 1 second charts, just so we're clear. If we come over to here and here, you can see that this is what the chart looks like. Let me see, so maybe we could just see a little cleaner. Buy stop, 5 second, 5 second buy stop. NAS 100, it's going to go right to here. Now look, this is what you see on a raw chart on the left. Okay, so this is your raw chart on the left, meaning nothing's on here. This is without the system over here. If you look over here, this is with the system. Green, 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 red, pink, cross, blue. There it is. It just went up before your very eyes. Now let's take a little time travel back, and there's nothing you could have saw when you were looking at your old way of trading. We look right here. This is what you would have saw going back in time. You would have saw nothing but sells. This is raw charting. This is the top of an M, it would look like. It would be going down. You'd expect it to cross this half line right here and go down. This is a sell. On my system, this is completely 100% a buy. Easiest thing you can see. My system is set up with color codes: green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. My system has these cute little videos we made for children, but we're using for adults. This is going to be the equivalent of my Yelenini. Okay, I'm slotting her name. I apologize. This is my right here. We're going to go ahead and go back. I'm going to show you a simple analogy so you guys can understand how this works. This is Myelini right here. She is diving down with red swim trunks. This is the red over here. 93% of all traders fall for this and think the trade's going to go down. My system tells you that's bullshit. There's 3 people underneath Myelini. There is Chino Ruse. There is Matt, and there is Rain. And above, those are the 3 real directions bars pushing her up. There's no way she can go down. And then above her, there's 3 more direction bars going up. So watch the trade again, and you can see what I'm talking about. This is my trying to swim down to the bottom of the pool to get a gold coin, which I don't blame her. These are the 3 real direction bars: green, 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 green. This is her being red. This is her red, red. These are these hooks. Sorry about that. It probably hurts a lot. And then these hooks grab a hold of her. These are the 1, 2, you see the 3 green bars up here? This is the other 3 people above her. See the green swim trunks? These 3 green people push and pull her up. The trade had no chance to go down, and it didn't go down. The trade went live right before your eyes. I called this trade. So we do our buy stop, we go in, right when it hits the orange line. I can teach you that right now. You enter the trade on the orange line. You get out at the orange line, take profit on a 5-second. The trade goes up. And there you go. 100% win rate. Don't worry about how much money it makes or doesn't make. That's silly. Worry about, did my call that I made win? And it did. 100% win rate. Forget everything you thought you knew about trading or wanted to learn about trading. It's all wrong. 93% of it is wrong. We know that because 93% of all of our fellow traders quit. I'm teaching you a way that is simple and effective and consistently correct. And there it is. You can't tell it on a raw chart. There's no fucking way you knew this was going up. I knew with 99.9% certainty it was going up. Da 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 da. Check my email. What am I checking it for? 4 for 4. I see nothing. I see Keith Palmer. Da da da. Trading days, average account value. Nothing guaranteed. Look at Keith. Keith's throwing these numbers out. You want me to show that, don't you, Keith? We'll see. I don't know if I'm comfortable with that. And by the way, the 5-second is clicked in now. Let's go back over to here. So I showed you how my system went. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line, US 30. Yep, there it is. Just fell. Watch. These are going to change the green. We have a semi-automatic robot already working for you guys. To the 15-second blue line. Where are all my alerts at? Come on now, peeps. Buy stop. US 30 to the 15-second blue line. Buy stop. YM1 to the 15-second blue line. Buy stop YM1 to the 30-second blue line. Buy stop. This is free money. I told you this at the beginning of the show. They're giving us away free money on US 30 and YM1. I told you that. You can clearly see that these are the old. Okay, if you know nothing else to fuck about trading, understand that if everything on this chart is green, these motherfuckers are going to green too. This isn't rocket scientists, guys. This is easy shit. Okay? Da 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 da. All right, fine. Do 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 do. These are the numbers Keith wants me to show you guys. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. Oh my darling, oh my darling. Da 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 da. Oh my darling. This is what he's saying. If you have an 80%, listen to the music in the background. That's your money. 85% win rate, 0.01 lot size, 101 leverage in 6 months. First month, second month, third month, 6th month. Not bad, Keith. Da 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 da. We have touchdown. Look at all your alerts that just popped up. Pop, 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 pop. Win, 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 win. Looks like some more up here. More YM1s, US 30s, YM1s. Dingy ding dong, dingy ding dong. Let's see how many more we have new. 25 new correct calls right here. And here they are, Trading View. This was NAS in the money, US 30 in the money, YM1 in the money, YM1 in the money, US 30 in the money, YM1 in the money, YM1 in the money, US 30 in the money, US 30 in the money. La da da da. And this is just a partial day. This is just a few minutes into my live. Let's see what's happening now. Another correct call on YM. We have touchdown. US 32, its 30-second blue line, as called out live, as told you. This will now change to green just like it did a second ago. YM1, touchdown to the blue line and past YM1 to the 30-second blue line, YM1 to the 15-second blue line, as I called out live, as I told you where it was going, as I told you, as it goes up. Look at it go shooting up. As I told you, watch, this turns to green. Watch, it'll turn to green. Watch, 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 watch. In the money on all trades, in the money on all trades, in the money on your NAS trades, in the money on your US 30 trades, in the money on all trades. It's setting up for a really good buy, by the way, on gold. This is fantastic. All money, all demo money. Look at it go.
I am not a financial advisor.
Look at it. I just told you a second ago, it didn't take rocket scientists to figure this out. Head over to the safety trade system. Buy the system. Buy the safetytrade.com. Buy the system. There it is. I think we're down to like 3 or 4, though, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 4 left. Buy the system. You don't need the one-on-one. Don't be a dumbass to say we're sold out. We're not fucking sold out. This is a system you need. Don't waste your money on the 777. We only have 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 people in a group. It's small enough. You guys are VIPs. Just don't waste your money. Get the 575. Then watch. You might be able to get retired. We have people, matter of fact, on this morning, we have Kimberly Harrington. She is retired. We have Mr. Gold Gary. He is retired. Tommy shoots on here or there. He can retire. He's made over $200,000 in one trade. Jay comes on now and again, every now and then. Maria Tolder comes on. Marco Risby comes on every now and then. D Nice might be on this morning too. He's retired. If you buy the system and they can retire, maybe you can retire. If they retired by buying the system and learning it, you can retire. Hold on, we got another call being made. Uno reverse, end alert, end. Look at that, the Uno reverse, baby. Your favorite semi-automatic robot in the world. The Uno reversal. Yeah, baby. Gotta love it, gotta love it. First time frame turn green. Here we go. We had a US 30 call here. Let's go back. Let me mark the time here and see what happened on this call. This is the call. This is our semi-autumn. Motherfuckers. Look at that shit. Mofos, look at that shit. Look at that call out. Thing of beauty and gorgeousness. Let me see exact time on this so I don't say the wrong thing. Hold on, let me go back to here. And there we go. All right, this is this one, and it called it right here. So we need to go down a level. Hold on. I don't want to say the wrong time. It was a 5 second. I have to call this off the 5. Da, 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 da. It had to be to the blue line right here. Right here. Okay, so that's the call. All right, let's go ahead and look at a higher time frame now to see what it looks like. That's our call. There you go. We had a call out right here, so let's take our time. This is what was called out by the automated robot. 40 pips, over 40 pips made on US 30. YM1 would be the exact same call, over 80. Let's see if NAS went up at the same time. It did. Let's go over here and mark NAS at the time that it was called. We're going to have to go down, but I'll get a rough, geez, oh pizza, somewhere around there. This is NAS again. Let's take it from the top then. We'll go from high end right there to here. Another, oopsie, whoa, what? Hold on, wrong thing. Another, so that's 80 between, and another 30, 60, 60, it's 140. You made over 150 on that signal. When one goes up, they all go up. Amazing. This is just amazing. There you go. Look at that fucking call. Yeah, baby. Amazing. What you're witnessing is just amazing. You'll see. When this robot's done, everybody and their mother is going to want to buy the system. You know what the price the system's going to do? I'm going to fucking jack it. For every one of you that supported it, you'll be able to renew at this same price of $575, which has been that way for 3 years. You'll stay there. Everybody that wants the system after that will be paying probably $1,000 up front or more. I'm done. I've been so nice for so many years. I'm done. Look at it. And there it is. And there's your calls. All correct. I rode the US 30. Thanks, Kev. You're welcome. Robots making outstanding. Yes, it is. I got next to retirement. Nice, Sally. I hope you do. Good morning, Sally. Hold the line, Kevin. 9% or higher. You and Keith have spoiled us with perfect trade calls for years. I know, right? For the 30-second buy, what time frame would you use for entry? Miguel, you got to do a little more studying, Miguel. You just have to. YM, he says for YM. That would be any. It doesn't matter when you enter. It was going up no matter what you did. Remember, hit the likes and join, subscribe. No better trading anywhere. Thank you, George. And they're singing too. I know, fucking good singing, isn't it, George? What's up, Sally? Good morning, Sally. Good morning, D. Nice. Were your ears ringing? I was just talking about you. Sally says she's next up to retirement. I pray to God that's so. Robot making outstanding call. I rode the US 30. Thanks, Kev. Keith, I'm ready. Ring, ring. Okay, thanks for everything, Coach. All right, guys, gotta run. God bless you all on TikTok. Again, if you want to start trading like we do, my members do, please go over to safetytrade.com, buy the System 575. No smarter decision, in my opinion. Road to NAS. Thanks, Kev. You're welcome. Thank you all for speaking up. God bless you on TikTok. I might be on later. We'll see. All right, that is TikTok on. YouTubers, Facebookers, all that business. Gotta run. God bless you all. Talk to you all later. See y'all. God bless. What a nice morning. That was fucking easy. Look at all that fucking money we made. Demo money only. That was fucking awesome. Oh, my voice. Here we go.